We just stopped here at this beautiful bridge, the bridge of the Zameiro. This bridge dates back to 1185. I'm just reading off over here, and this bridge is included in the testament of the Fernando Martins, who at the time was the Bishop of Porto City. The bridge's construction was pushed forward by a donation that was made by King de Afonso Henriques.
Really?
Yeah.
The King Dom Afonso Henriques was the first king of Portugal.
How's that, huh? This is beautiful history.
That beaten up his mom hard on a fight.
Cut. Truth be told, ladies and gentlemen, we've just finished the walk to Santiago de Compostela. That little intro over there was day 2. We'll get back to that bridge later and we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. Preparations. So what did we pack, Rosa? How was your pack?
Clean surface to lay everything out. Poncho with rain cover for bag. 2 pairs of long pants. Don't need that. Sleeping pants. Fleecy hoodie. Slip slops. 1 long sleeve shirt. 3 t-shirts in bag. No umbrella. Smaller might be better. Underwear. Socks times 3. Okay, no. Microfiber towels. Water floss. Basic first aid kit. Vaseline. Voltaren. Bandanas. Hats for sun protection. Shades with some sunblock. Too much weight, get rid of it. Personal hygiene with tissue. Thermal blankets. Didn't actually use that. Bog roll. White gold. Camera bag, with camera of course. Soap plastic bag for whatever. Ziploc bags. Another shirt. Cell phone with charger. Can't forget Frankie. Moon bag. The main bag with sleeping bags. Shoes. Guidebook. The pilgrim shell. Walking sticks, the pass with a book and pen, monopod. Thumbs up, I could just sing a song.
La 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 la.
Quick question. How did you prepare for the Camino to Santiago?
Reading a lot of blogs in the internet, checking a lot of videos from a book my dad got from someone at the church about the Camino Português, the Portuguese way.
I got a lot of my knowledge from Rosa's research because I'm too lazy to research. Physical preparations.
First we found the shoes we wanted to take was not easy. We decided about taking trekking shoes. Those shoes in the store, they say you can walk with them 40 kilometers in a day.
Yeah, that was a pretty good choice. I'm quite happy with the choice.
We started doing walks.
The longest practice walk that we did was
10 something, 10 or 11.
No, there was the one day we walked to Bielgir. It was about 12 kilometers. 13 kilometers actually. It was quite a good walk. It was 13 kilometers. That was a good practice.
We walked the shoes, I think, 70 kilometers.
Our first day of the Camino was 25 kilometers.
Yeah, the first day was one of the hardest. There was other day where we walked 26 or 27. And at the end of the day you feel it. And then the second day we didn't walk so much.
Your best item in your bag, you had to let people know. What was your favorite item in your bag?
Yeah, the Vaseline to protect the feet from getting blisters.
For me, it was my monopod. It served many purposes. What was your big motivator every day?
And I think enjoy the Camino, enjoy the experience, enjoy meeting other people, experiencing all of it, and succeed in another day.
My first motivator was obviously Rosa. Rosa had to wake me up every morning and get me out of bed. My second motivator, what am I going to see today on the road? My third motivator was, when am I going to get that beer? I went up a mountain with a beer, had a beer on top, and down the mountain with a third beer. Oh yeah, and then celebrated with a beer when we got to the albergue. A couple of beers actually.
Thank you for watching. Follow the links below to see full packing list. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, and stay tuned for our next video. Day 1 walk from Porto to Vairão.